Hello class, my name is Antonio Johnson and this is my presentation on California's Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islanders community. According to the U.S. Census Bureau, as of 2017, California has a population of 39,536,653 people. The Native Hawaiian Pacific Islander population of California is over 200,000 people. This is about 0.5% of California's total population, with the majority of the people in the community living in areas such as Los Angeles, San Diego, Sacramento, and Riverside. The Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander population grew 29% between the years of 2000 and 2010. This massive growth in population labeled the community as the third fast-growing ethnic population in California. Did you know that the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander population experiences the poorest health conditions of all ethnic groups in America? They are expected to experience diabetes 5 times more than the average American citizen between the ages of 19 and 35. In the state of California, the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander has the highest rates of obesity in its youth population. This high percentage leads to many diseases such as cancer and type 2 diabetes. There are several bad habits and influences that have a negative effect on the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islanders' health in the state of California. With the community having high levels of cholesterol intake, they are 4 times more likely to be obese than any other race in the state. The population has the highest rate of tobacco usage, alcohol consumption, and fast food consumption than any other ethnic group in California. These bad habits contribute to health issues such as cancer, strokes, heart disease, and diabetes.
I would literally cry if I look at veggies.
I'm so worried for my life because I know I'm too.
I would literally cry if I look at veggies.
I'm so worried for my life because I know I'm too much heavy.
This meat isn't sold in other countries. Did you know that?
It's probably not going to heal until she loses some more weight.
You can do it! You can do it!
There are several reasons why the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander population experiences an unhealthy lifestyle. The community can have a fast food intake of 3 to 4 times daily without any exercise. Being in California, there are a few healthy Hawaiian food selections to contribute to a more healthy lifestyle. In the culture, it is expected for the individual to have a large portion of food and to eat everything served to show signs of respect for preparation of the meal. Diabetes is a disease that affects the U.S. population as a whole. Diabetes is a health condition in which the body is unable to process food for energy usage. Individuals who have diabetes are unable to produce a stable amount of sugar for day-to-day usage. Diabetes can have a negative impact, which can leave an individual blind, experience heart disease, the amputation of extremities, or even death. In this slide, you will notice some symptoms that are associated with members who have diabetes. Some symptoms may include constant hunger, blurred vision, unexplained weight loss or weight gain, frequent urination, and numbness of hands and feet. Some medical conditions that are associated with members who have diabetes could include strokes, blindness, heart disease, kidney disease, and amputation of extremities. Diabetes has a major impact on the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander community. According to the Center of Disease and Control, diabetes has a high rate of 19% in the community. The prevalence of diabetes in the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander community exceeds that of any other race in the state of California. Type 2 diabetes, or diabetes mellitus, is a long-term metabolic disorder that is characterized by high blood sugar, insulin resistance, and the relative lack of insulin. Some common symptoms may include increased thirst, frequent urination, or unexplained weight loss. This disease is one of the most prevalent diseases in the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander community. This disease is associated with obesity and a lack of physical activity. In 2007, the community had the highest percentage of people with type 2 diabetes amongst all other races in California. There are many ways the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander community can improve their health status. Some of these ways include quitting the use of tobacco products, exercising more, eating a more balanced diet, conducting routine medical checkups, and just being overall educated on their own health risks. The Partnership of Improving Lifestyles and Interventions, is one of the many groups in California dedicated to helping the Native Hawaiian and Pacific Islander community battle diseases such as diabetes and obesity. Thank you for watching my presentation, and have a great day.